Greetings to you, our dear friends. In today's lesson, we'll go over the 10 most common synonyms of the adjective good. So let's get started. Instead of using the same adjective good, we can replace it with other synonyms. So today, let's take a look at the 10 most common synonyms of the adjective good. So the first one is great, amazing, excellent, wonderful, awesome, incredible, outstanding, fantastic, fabulous, brilliant. There is definitely so much more of them, but right now let's take a look at the specifics of each of those words. Great means about normal, very well. Thank you, Paul, for playing a great game today. A great game. Amazing means causing a great wonder. Our grandfather is an amazing man. Amazing man. Excellent means extremely good. Eric is an excellent engineer. Excellent engineer. Wonderful means marvelous. I have wonderful news. Your X-ray results came back normal. Wonderful news. Awesome, which means extremely impressive. We had an awesome time at the conference. Awesome time. Incredible means extraordinary. This book tells an incredible story of survival. Incredible story. Outstanding, which means exceptionally good. Ballerinas showed an outstanding performance today. Outstanding performance. Fantastic, which is informal, and that means extremely good. Your nails look fantastic. Fabulous, which means amazingly good. The weather today is fabulous. And finally, brilliant, which means exceptionally talented. What a brilliant idea, Lucy. A brilliant idea. Thank you so much for being with us today. If you liked this lesson, please share it with your friends and follow us on the social media. And we'll see you the next time. Goodbye.